Today, a tutorial on how to wrap text around an object in Adobe Illustrator, something that's perfect for magazine, brochure, and editorial design in general. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So today, just a quick tutorial on how to wrap text in Illustrator. Stay tuned on Thursday and Friday because I have more detailed content lined up to be posted right here on YouTube. So here is my vector object that I want to wrap some text around in today's video, and you can see on screen the final outcome. First, we need to generate a text box as opposed to simply just typing out some text. So, locate the text tool and then click and drag to generate a box. Illustrator is going to create some lorem ipsum text which we can edit soon. But first, just make sure that the object that you want to wrap the text around is brought to the front of all layers. Press Command T on a Mac or Control T on a PC so you can open up the character window. Here you can edit the text size, the text font, the kerning, the leading and so forth. So when you're ready, select the object only and then go up to Object, Text Wrap and then Text Wrap Options. We can change these values later, but just type in a number to experiment with first and foremost. And then head back up to Text Wrap and this time use Make. So as you can see here, there is a small gap around the object, but this isn't ideal for our design. So head back into the Text Wrap options and play around with the values whilst preview is checked. You can actually move the object around and the text will automatically wrap around it as you move it around the artboard. So that was a quick tutorial today on how to wrap text in Illustrator. I'm going to be back later this week with more detailed content. It's just that today I didn't have enough time, so this was a short tutorial, but nonetheless it's still important. Don't forget to like and share my content on social media guys. And thank you so much for the support on my channel as of late. It's really growing well, and the actual feeling I get from helping people and seeing comments on my channel that I do inspire them to design things or I solve a problem for their workflow is really awesome. But yeah, anyway, have a great day and until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.